didn't turn my light on. Well, here we are. Good to see you. This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. It's the second in a row Canada review, or the first of two. Sometimes I start out with the wrong one, so I don't know. We'll see. Don't be confused. Don't. So, what is this? This is a yellow package of ramen. What brand is it, you asked? It's, no name. Sans nom. This is Flavour de Boeuf. It's beef flavor, and it comes from the Real Canadian Superstore up in beautiful Richmond, British Columbia. My water is boiling, so I'm going to get right to business. So what do we have here? We have a noodle block. Drop it in it. Oh, jeez. A noodle block, and I dropped it in, and it splashed water all over our stove top, which is weird and glass. Yeah. But what's nice is that I have a fork, so don't take a drink yet. But, and don't forget, try to name the microwave, if, you know, and in your comment mention, hey, you said to name your microwave, so I think you should name it this, because I record these episodes, like, I think this one will be like 2 weeks out, and, or no, I'm doing Canadian reviews, it'll be 2 weeks out. I can't do Canadian. I wish I could. Nova Scotia. Nah, I can't do it. But it'll be like 2 weeks out, so I don't remember what I was yammering about today. I gotta come up with something. I'm trying not to yammer constantly about my whole weight loss thing, because I'm sure you're getting sick of that. Gotta change it up. But check out the little iconography on these things. Look at that beef. I don't know that. Oh look, there's more on the other side. The one with the bones sticking out. That looks. Is that beef or is that like a big old ham? I don't know, but they've got like a whole smorgasbord of beef icons. There it is. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, so that's cool. The sun keeps ducking in and out. I don't like that. I want it to be in full regalia, because it makes it easier to take pictures, you know? So what's going on? Miles' birthday's coming up. He's gonna be 4. God, everything's coming in the mail. Amazon is using their logistics to make sure all items are delivered in a prompt and logical manner. And he will have a happy birthday and hopefully enjoy the products that our corporate overlords have deemed logical for a child. Speaking of, there we are. We need butter. Here we go. I got butter. Blue Bonnet. 50 calories per tablespoons. Is it margarine or butter? Everything's better with blue bonnet on it. I want to say this is vegetable oil spread. That ain't butter. That's margarine. Okay, well that's all I got. Sorry, but I'm using the main course, main dish instructions. So if you're really on a tight budget, this is what you do. First, you drain. It almost seems like you're making mac and cheese. Here in the U.S., we have Kraft macaroni and cheese. Up in Canada, it's simply called Kraft dinner. Do you know that? Some people say that there's a difference between the two. I really have absolutely no clue. It might be something that's worth checking out. Anyways, here's our noodles. And to be a main dish, it requires now the butter, because butter makes it better. I'm gonna go with this is like a pat's worth. I don't know. And this will be beef flavored. Well, the butter isn't beef flavored. So our dog Otis, he's old and he's got a lot of things wrong with him, poor guy, but so he gets opioids. He gets tramadol. And I think it's the funniest thing in the world. I mean, it helps him. He like gets one and he's like zonked. He definitely chills out. But they're beef flavored. Yeah. Hey man, you got any of those beef flavored oxycodone, man? Yeah, I don't know. No, I don't. They're for the dog, sorry. We don't get those. Dog gets the good pain meds. Yeah, this shirt is like worthless. It's of such a light material. It just doesn't, like the collar is just a joke. Anyways, let's stir it. And now you have your main dish. Just leave it like that. I don't think a pat of butter was really enough. Wow, this is really hard to combine. Maybe I need to put in another pat of butter, huh? I know what's happening here. This is just gonna be like ultra salty. Like beyond salty. But it's blue bonnet, so maybe blue bonnet means better. I wish I actually had real butter, like unsalted butter. Like that Plugra stuff. I've never had it, but I've always been like... It's called Plugra. Does it plug you up? I don't know. What you doing, Miles? I'm gonna go get Miles. Hey, Miles, come say hi. The camera. Want to be on the digital camera? Come and see. Well, with any luck, Miles will join us in a moment. Miles, you want to be on the video? Okay, it's kind of gelatinous now. Let's give this a try. Beef, no name beef dinner. Whoa. Okay, that's a little better. Okay. Yeah, so basically don't take the bite that was the one where you initially introduced the the soup base, because oh my god, it is salty. So we centered. We're pretty well centered. Beef. Beef time. It's beef time. It's your birthday. It's your birthday, Miles, and it's beef time. It's beef time. It's time for beef. It's time for beef. Who wants to eat some beef? Eat some beef. Yeah. Yeah. You. All right. Let's put a tiny bit of crispy garlic on top. I think that sounds fun. Don't you? I tell ya, that stuff's where it's at. Beef, main dish, Canada. Bye-bye.